What's up guys, my name is Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the right way to do planks. Coming right up. So I'm going to begin with the run form. As you guys can see, my entire body is flat with elbows supports the ground. If you guys are trying to increase core strength by doing planks, which I'm assuming so, then having your entire body flat is not the way to go. Your spine's natural alignment is not flat throughout the entire body, so when you're doing this exercise, you should do it as close to your spine's natural alignment as possible. When you're doing this exercise with flat back, you're putting a lot of stress on your lower back, with the center of gravity being somewhere towards the middle. So if this is your form, you can fix the form by extending your scapula and contract your abs muscle. This way is not only better in terms of building core strength, it also creates a naturally aligned spine position, which is way better for your posture. So if this is way too easy for you, you can try to extend your arms forward, which make this exercise harder, and eventually you can build your strength to do this. But always remember to extend your scapula and contract your abs to make this exercise effective. So there you have it guys, it's really simple but really effective if you have the form right. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Peace.